This video demonstrates how to install the Global Door Controls TC4300 door closer in a parallel arm configuration. In this setup, the closer body mounts on the push side of the door, while the arm bracket attaches to the underside of the frame stop. This creates a clean, low-profile and tamper-resistant appearance, ideal for schools, offices, and high-traffic commercial buildings. Start by reviewing the installation template supplied with your closer. The TC4300 can be mounted to allow the door to open 100 degrees, 120 degrees, or up to 180 degrees, depending on your layout. For today's demonstration, we'll mount it for a 100-degree door swing. On the door face, measure from the pivot point of the hinge and mark 9 7/16 inches over. From that point, measure 1 inch further and make another mark. These will be your first 2 mounting hole positions. Next, measure 2 1/4 inches down from each mark and square your lines. These determine the vertical position for the closer body. Move to the top of the frame. Again, measure from the hinge pivot, not the edge of the stop, and mark 9 7/16 inches across the head of the frame. Use the parallel arm bracket as a guide to mark your screw locations accurately. Punch each mark with a center punch. Then pre-drill your first hole using a 3/16-inch drill bit to make driving easier. Now mount the closer body. On a parallel arm mount, the cylinder end must face away from the hinges. Hold the closer in position and fasten it securely with the provided self-drilling screws. Before moving on, install the 2 small cover screws on top of the closer body. Doing this now makes cover installation much easier later. Next, attach the parallel arm bracket to the frame. Align it square and flush to the stop. Then secure it using the included screws. If your frame stop is narrow, insert the spacer shim behind the bracket to maintain the correct distance. Prepare the arm assembly. The TC4300 includes a main arm and a forearm. Remove the connecting screw to separate the 2 pieces. Attach the main arm to the closer spindle. The spindle is shaped to accept the arm in only one position. You'll need to preload the spindle slightly. Rotate it about 1/8 of a turn with a wrench before seating the arm. Secure it with the screw and washer provided. Mount the forearm foot to the bracket using the 2 short screws, keeping the long side of the foot facing the hinge. Reconnect the forearm to the main arm. Align both arms so they sit parallel with the frame stop and tighten firmly. The mechanical installation is now complete. Next, adjust the closer for smooth, controlled operation. The TC4300 features 3 independent adjustment valves located on the closer body. The sweep speed controls the main closing motion. The latch speed controls the final few inches of closing. The Backcheck provides resistance near 90 degrees to prevent the door from slamming open. Use the provided hex key to fine-tune each valve, clockwise to slow, counterclockwise to increase speed. For ADA compliance, aim for a 15-second closing time from fully open to closed. Adjust the Backcheck so resistance starts around 90 degrees of opening to protect the door and frame. A spring power adjustment located at the end of the barrel allows you to increase the closing force for heavier doors or exterior openings exposed to wind. This helps ensure the door latches securely every time. Once adjusted, open and close the door several times to verify smooth motion, consistent speed, and positive latching. Finally, slide the decorative cover over the closer body and secure it using the screws you installed earlier. Your installation is now complete. The Global Door Controls TC4300 delivers dependable Grade 1 commercial performance, offering durability, precision, and smooth operation for demanding environments. For replacement parts, technical support, or additional products, visit Door Closers USA or call 866-232-5673.